All right. This'll be take 11.
Oh, hi, Big Bird.
Snuffle-uppagus.
Hi, Big Bird.
Oh, hi. Hi, Grover.
Hi, Big
Bob.
Bird.
How are you?
Hey, you
What-
haven't seen my friend Mr. Snuffle-uppagus, have you?
What
No,
is
He said
this?
he'd be here, and I was wondering if you could hear
Excuse
him.
me. What is a snuffle-upsis?
No, it's uppagus.
Oh, come on, Big Bird.
Snuffle-uppagus.
Big Bird, don't start this again. Don't start filling Grover full of those wild stories about your big friend, you know. It's all in your imagination, Big
Wild
Bird.
stories about Big Friend. What is that? What are you talking about?
Oh, no, Bob. These are not wild stories. It's true.
It's
You
Big Bird.
see-
it's-
Bob.
Huh?
Oh, I'm sorry.
This
Big-
is not my imagination. He's a big friend, Grover.
Yes?
And he's a nice friend, and he has a long nose like an elephant, and all covered with brown shaggy hair, and he's got big eyes,
Come on,
and
Big
4
Bird.
big feet, and a long tail about 10 feet long.
A long tail about 10 feet.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Bob, Big Bird, he really, if we see him around, we'll
we'll
let you know, okay?
Okay.
We'll give him a
All right, well,
message.
tell him I'll be back.
Tell him to be back.
Yeah.
Right,
Okay.
Big Bird, okay.
Okay,
we'll
Big
tell him.
Bird. Don't worry.
Right, well, we'll tell him, Big Bird.
We won't miss him.
Easy, Big Bird, watch it. Big Bird, watch it. Can you imagine that? He keeps telling us about this great, big, huge friend of his with a
friend?
Yeah, with
Yeah.
a big, long nose.
Nose?
Yeah.
He's got some imagination.
bigger than himself.
Yeah.
Are you okay?
I don't know. This is not fun.
I know it isn't, Grover.
You
That's
know,
why I said,
how can I make them go away?
well, I don't know. Maybe we could just,
Hold me down.
okay.
I'm
Hold
going.
Are you okay?
I hope they leave.
Well, we'll just sit here for a while. Maybe
Hold me
we'll go-
down.
Okay.
I keep bouncing around.
I'm sorry.
Oh, that was under my hiccup.
Okay, hold on, Grover.
Sideways.
Well, we'll just sit here, Grover. Maybe
Oh,
we'll
you're
go away.
strong.
Oh, hi, Grover. Hi, Grover. How you doing?
Not very good.
What, you haven't seen the Snuffle-uppagus head? Hey.
Of
you
course
have
not,
the
Big
hic-
Bird. You know, everybody says that the Snuffle-upsis is all in your imagination.
Well, he's not, and I think you have the hiccups.
I do.
I know a way to make the hiccups go away.
Oh, you too?
Yeah, this is the way that always works. You know what it is?
Oh, what is it?
Surprise! I will surprise you.
You
Now,
surprise
I'm
me?
gonna go put on a scary disguise, like a costume.
But you frighten me.
Well, you know it's me, so you won't be frightened. But it will surprise you, okay?
Oh, all right, Big Bird.
All right.
I'll stay
I'll
here.
go put on a nifty disguise. Now, wait here and just hiccup until I come back.
I'll turn my back so you can disguise me, Big Bird. And surprise me. You disguise yourself and surprise me. No matter what he looks like, I know it will be Big Bird. He'll never
Hello
surprise me.
there. My name
Oh, I know who you are.
you do.
Yes.
Oh, I thought you'd be surprised to see me.
Oh, I am not surprised. And you cannot surprise me.
Why not?
Because I told you I was going to turn around so you could try and surprise me, but no matter what you look like, I know who you are. Even if I look at you now, see you cannot surprise. You know what? I am surprised!
He appears to be taking his nap. Which reminds me, it's way past time for my nap. I'd better be shuffling off.
Ribbon!
Angry, 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 angry.
Fast, slow. Fast, slow. Fast, slow.